So sir, आपने you choose medicine. Then what moment turned you that you chose ophthalmology?
So again, not that it was not the first choice for me. My first choice would have been a surgical branch and probably ortho, but India में ranking बहुत decide करती है चीज़ों को. So this was always an option, like ortho, then opthal, and उसके बाद surgery, general surgery. So when I decided that ortho, I was not getting one of the premium institutes, and with Ofthal, I went into Maulana Azad Medical College, which is one of the top 5 institutes of the country, as you know. So it was not just that I felt many advantages when I analyzed the field as such. एक तो जो surgeries हैं, they are micro surgeries, very fine surgeries, right? So they require a lot of skill. Plus, it's both a medical as well as a surgical branch. It's not a pure surgical branch. A lot of aspects of management, treatment, and everything of ophthalmology is medical aspect. So it had the combination of both surgery as well as medical aspect. Thirdly, I could sense that ophthalmology is a very fast growing field in India. And as we can see even today, some of the very, very big chains of hospitals are actually eye hospitals. So this is a very fast growing branch and it's a very enjoyable branch. I love doing my work every day, going to the center, going to the clinic, doing surgeries every day. And people might think कि रोज़ कैटरैक्ट ही तो करना है, रोज़ रिफ्रैक्टिव सर्जरी तो करना है, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. We do corneal transplants also, we do glaucoma surgeries also, we do corneal tear trauma cases also. So every day brings in a new challenge and there's no monotony. So that's the best part about medical field as such कि आप आईटी या कई फील्ड्स में होता है कि मोनोटनी हो जाती है, अकाउंट्स में, आईटी में, फाइनेंस में, बट मेडिकल फील्ड में एवरी डे ब्रिंग्स इन अ न्यू चैलेंज. सो यू enjoy the work so much that even with the challenges, you like doing it and you love doing it every day.